fly backwards and upside down?
Did you know
That a hawk would join forces with an enemy to heckle a great horned owl?
Did you know
A roadrunner has 2 toes at the front and 2 toes at the back, and it can fly?
Did you know
That the dove drinks out of its beak like a straw?
Did you know
That an emu is an omnivore, which means it eats plants and animals?
Did you know
That the barn owl at night, it hunts for food, it hunts for insects and frogs.
Did you know
A swan is the largest bird, and it's 170 centimeters tall.
Did you know
Blue jays lay their eggs in other birds' nests.
Did you know
The male is called a peacock and the female is called a peahen.
Did you know
In the past, cardinals were trapped and sold as songbirds.
Did you know
An eagle could eat dead animals and alive animals.
Did you know
That the parrot is 12 centimeters to 1 meter tall.
Did you know
That when there is danger, a loon rises up and kicks the water.
Did you know
That an owl can turn its head almost all the way around.
Did you know
That the bald eagle, its wingspan is 229 centimeters wide.
Did you know
That the mom and dad sparrows build the nest together.
Did you know
Chicken, a list on a from.
Did you know
That penguins are experts at swimming, and they swim 10 kilometers per hour.
Did you know
The puffin chick stays in the nest to 7 to 8 weeks after it hatches.
Did you